Thousands of industrial workers work with or near chemicals and hazardous fluids every day. The first 10 to 15 seconds after exposure are crucial. Here are 6 considerations to keep in mind when selecting a safety shower solution. First, what is the ambient temperature range where the shower will be installed? Hughes Safety manufactures a product range that suits different operating environments and climates. Their tank-fed safety showers come with or without immersion heaters for indoor environments where the ambient temperature range always remains tepid or fluctuates between 15.6 degrees Celsius to 37.8 degrees Celsius. For Canada's severely cold climates, Hughes Safety offers polar tank showers. The polar units are insulated, have an immersion heater to keep the water tepid at all times, and have a cubicle space heater to prevent hypothermia. These units have been installed all over northern Canada for decades. Second, will you fill your tank shower with a water truck or will it be plumbed? Hughes Safety offers an extensive range of plumbed-in, portable and self-contained eye-wash and emergency showers suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you are planning to fill your safety shower with a water truck or have access to plumbed portable water, there is a solution for every situation. Third, what is the electrical classification of the area where the shower will be installed? Hughes Safety showers with electrical components are CSA certified. We can help you select the appropriate model for your environment. Fourth, where will the used shower water drain? There is at least 20 gallons of water flowing per minute from the showerhead of a typical emergency safety shower. Do you have a floor drain nearby? If not, we suggest requesting a sump so the water can be diverted to a location where it can be disposed. Fifth, do you need a local audible or visual alarm or a remote alarm that feeds back to your control room? Hughes Safety has a variety of alarm solutions to cover all the bases. Alarms are triggered by shower activation. Lastly, how will you keep the tank water free from bacteria like Legionella? HydroCleanse provides constant protection against infestations of pathogenic bacteria in water tanks. For questions or more information, email sales@spswest.com. Visit our website spswest.com to learn about our other products.